Hey there, urban explorers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future, specifically the chaotic, bustling, honk world of 2025's most crowded cities. Imagine trying to find a parking spot in these places. Spoiler: you'll need a time machine and a prayer. Let's count down the top 10 cities where personal space is just a myth. Buckle up. It's about to get tight. Let's go. 10. Lagos, Nigeria. Kicking off our list at number 10. Lagos. By 2025, this Nigerian megacity will pack in 16.5 million people. Think Lagos traffic is wild now. Just wait. Fun fact: Lagosians have mastered the art of survival yoga, bending sideways to squeeze into buses. 9. São Paulo, Brazil. At number 9, São Paulo, home to 22 million. Souls and approximately 8 million cars stuck in traffic. Ever seen a helicopter traffic report? Here, the rich fly to avoid the chaos. Helicopter taxis, anyone? 8. Mexico City, Mexico. 8. Goes to Mexico City. 22.3 million. People thriving in a city built on an ancient lake. Pro tip: don't wear heels. The ground here sinks 20 inches a year. Also, tacos cure all traffic stress. 7. Beijing, China. Next up, 7. Beijing. 23.5 million. Residents breathing, well, interesting air. Bonus: the Forbidden City is forbidden to cars, so good luck finding a shortcut. 6. Mumbai, India. At number 6. Mumbai. 24.5 million people chasing dreams in this Bollywood hub. Local trains here carry 7.5 million passengers daily. That's like shoving Australia's population onto a railway. 5. Cairo, Egypt. 5. Cairo. 25 million. People navigating pyramids, camels, and 5-lane traffic in a 3-lane road. Honking is basically the national anthem. 4. Dhaka, Bangladesh. Is Dhaka. 26 million. Residents in a city smaller than New York City. Rickshaws outnumber humans 3 to 1. Ever played real-life Frogger? Dhaka's streets are the ultimate level. 3. Shanghai, China. Bronze medal at Muraro number 3, Shanghai. 28 million people in a skyline that's basically Blade Runner. The maglev train hits 267 miles per hour. Too bad the traffic below moves at 2.67 miles per hour. 2. Delhi, India. Silver goes to number 2, Delhi. 32 million. People, an air so thick you can taste it. Fun fact: Delhi's metro system is longer than the Great Wall of China. Coincidence? Maybe. 1. Tokyo, Japan. And the winner is number 1, Tokyo, Japan. 37 million. People in a city where quiet time doesn't exist. Trains have pushers to cram folks in. But hey, at least the sushi's fresh. So, which city would you survive in? Drop a comment. I'd brave Tokyo for sushi. Or, nope, send me to Mars instead. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Unless you're stuck in traffic, then just scream into the void. Thanks for watching, and remember, in 2025, alone time means finding a quiet corner in a subway car. See you next time.